If you're looking for baby humidifiers and vaporizers, here's a collection you've got to see. Health and Baby Care Humidifiers and Vaporizers Bestsellers Collection. Number 1, by Levoit. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Vicks. Number 3. Choose the best health and baby care for your baby. Click the circle for more info. Number 4, by Levoit. Number 5, by Vicks. Find these baby humidifiers and vaporizers at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7, by Pure Enrichment. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Crane USA. Number 9, by Anson. Discover more baby humidifiers and vaporizers ideas and items to explore. Click the description below. Number 10, by Best Love.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.